Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Today is a Sunday, so today is going to be a really chill day. But I do have some exciting, relaxing things planned. And firstly, because it's like 9:30 in the morning, I'm going to have like a really relaxing Lush Christmas bath. So I think I'm going to actually use Cherry Christmas because it is festive, but not overly festive. And I'm just going to use up this candy bubble brush, which is one of those reusable ones which you hold under the running tap and it makes loads of bubbles. But I'm going to actually crumble it off because I'm not a big fan of reusable bubble bars. I just feel like they don't give as many bubbles as I like. So I just leave them to like soften over time. I got this way back in the summer. So this should be soft enough and this will create like mountains of bubbles. I do have like loads of other bits. This is like my Lush sort of bath basket as such, and I might say shoot for the stars for Christmas Eve. I've got Golden Wonder, Holy Night, York Nog Bubble Bar, and Sunny Side of a Bath, Bewitched from Halloween. Got the Candy Cane Bubble Bar, and rest of Naughty Elf. So I feel like I might do a cocktail on Christmas Eve. And this hamper box is actually Zoella Beauty. This is from like 2 years ago, when she did the gingerbread range. So this was the pamper hamper, and I got it mainly to keep all these bits in, and I'm so glad I got it because it's the best thing I've ever bought to store my favourite Lush products. Have a cheeky sneak peek, kids, of my flat lay that I do for my Lush Instagram. I will leave the link in the description bar below. It's at reaalllyyy, and yeah, I just take pictures like these of my baths and stuff. Flat lay set up for my bath photo, and I'm just doing a bubble brush. I will crumble it up in a minute. So this is basically the idea of what you're supposed to do though. Yes guys! It wouldn't be a Sunday morning pamper bath without a face mask. But firstly, I'm going to be using the Bush de Noel Fresh Cleanser, which is exclusive for Lush Christmas. And this is amazing. Got cocoa butter in there. There's like mandarin, ground almonds, almond essential oil. There's Canon clay and brandy. And it makes your skin so soft. So I'm going to be using that. And then I'll be using Brazen Honey, which is a really beautiful fresh face mask. And I'm not going to talk through the ingredients, but no, it's really brightening, hydrating. It's got loads of honey, and it just looks like that. It smells a bit like a curry, mixed with fennel. Face mask is now on, and it's starting to feel tight already. And yeah, I'm so ready for this bath. So I think I'm just gonna jump right in. Bath is now had, and I feel so relaxed. My skin feels so soft as well, and I was gonna put makeup on, but I can't be bothered because number one, I'm not going out, and number two, I just can't be bothered. So the rest of the day I'm probably just going to paint my nails again because it's like chipping off, and watch YouTube, and I will catch you guys later because I want to talk to you guys about my favourite festive something. And this jumper should be a massive hint. So yes, and I think I'm in the mood now to open my advent calendar. Can't believe it's already day number 9, and this little day is right here. And that was easy, and we have another whisper. Woohoo guys! It's Sunday. I'm in the mood for loads of sugar, so I'm gonna make a toffee nut latte with my Dolce Gusto latte macchiato pods. And I actually got this the other day from Starbucks. It was $4.95, but you get a lot of drinks out of this. So I bought this to save myself some money whenever I'm craving a bit of Starbucks. And this is actually amazing. It's like having the Starbucks right at home. So I'm just gonna put a tiny little bit in. Ooh. Just to sort of like cover the bottom. And then do my coffee. So good guys. So my plan for the remainder of today's Vlogmas was to show you guys my Christmas film collection, and hopefully it will give you inspiration for what to add to your to watch lists in the run up to Christmas. And do let me know if you do want me to sort of do a special Vlogmas dedicated to like my favourite ever ones and why I love them so much, even though you probably do know what my favourite ones are. But I will also include Netflix ones in the next one. But this is what I've got as like DVDs and stuff like that. So this is my collection. So I have bought these in the space of like probably a couple years or more. So we've got Elf, absolute classic, festive favourite. Yes, it's definitely one of the ones that make me feel so festive and Christmassy. I usually save this for like the week of Christmas to watch. The Grinch, of course, that's why I was like, my jumper is going to be a massive hint. But I got this, I think, on as like a DVD, I want to say the year before last. So yeah, I usually watch this, or used to usually watch this when it came on TV, but I was like, I need to own the film. This is like my all-time favourite one, Muppet Christmas Carol. I had the like cassette videotape since I was a child. Christmas in Wonderland, it's not my favourite, but I do watch it because it is a Christmas film. And then I got all three nativities, and definitely the first two are really, really good. The last one is good, but it's not my favourite, and apparently they got a fourth one out called Nativity Rocks. I do want to see it, but I feel like because they've done three already, the fourth one might be a bit crap. And then the last one is Tom Hanks in The Pet Express, and this is probably one of like the first proper Christmas DVDs I bought for myself. I've had this for absolutely years. It's definitely a really, really festive one to get, and I'll probably watch this in like a day or two. I'm literally just saving all of these for like nearer Christmas to watch. So this is like my DVD collection. Also, nail update, decided to paint my nails in an Essie paint colour, which is one of my favourites. It's like a sort of lilac-y blue, and it's called Bikini Sotini, and I've had this for like a year and absolutely love it. So yeah, pretty nails, yay! So for the rest of the afternoon, I'm literally gonna catch up on those of YouTube, especially Louise and Gabby's, because I love Louise's weeklies and Gabby's videos are just like my favourite. So I'm probably not going to do much else. So I'm just going to say goodbye here. Now I know it's only 2:30, but when this time of the afternoon comes, I literally become a couch potato on my days off with my homemade toffee nut latte. And yeah, so give this Vlogmas a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell below, as always, to get updates from the next video. And I will see you guys for another festive video tomorrow, which will be even more exciting, hopefully, if I'm like in the mood to do it. I'm not gonna say what it is yet because I might change my mind and do something else, but it's gonna be like an epitome of Christmas. So yes, have a great evening guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!